Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at GripTape. GripTape is a modular Python framework for building AI-powered applications that securely connect to your enterprise data and APIs. What it does is it provides you an interface with the help of some drivers where you can do text based tasks with the AI agents, you could do speech based tasks, or you could do vision based tasks. We already have covered GripTape in another video where we showed you how you can talk with your images with the help of AI agents, or how you could use the text based LLMs with the help of GripTape to do lot of agentic capabilities, and a lot of agentic use cases could be done with the help of GripTape when it comes to text. In this video though, I'm going to show you how you can do speech based or audio based tasks with GripTape. Just to give you a very quick overview of its components again, in GripTape, as I said, everything is modular. When we say modular, it means that it is divided into components, like it has agents which are consisting of tasks, and task is a fundamental building block where it interacts with outside world, it interacts with engines, it interacts with other grip tape components. And then, as we know, every AI agent, it uses tools to interact with outside world. It could be web search, it could be creating a code, it could be searching on website, web scraping, talking with other custom endpoints of your own APIs in your enterprise. And that is where this GripTape can help, where it divides everything into components. You interface with your application with the help of this tooling, and then it also maintains a memory inside. The only thing which I believe need a lot of improvement in GripTape is that they only work at the moment with OpenAI's model. I think it would be really good to have some support for the Olama models or the local models, but I believe it's still a new project, so it should be a lot of improvement soon. Okay, so now you know what GripTape is and what we are going to do in this video. We are going to install it, and then we are going to talk with our audio files to see how that works. Let me also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Now, as I said, I am going to use OpenAI's models, so I really won't be using this GPU, but just in case I wanted to show you this. First up, as usual, let me create a Conda environment, and while it creates, if you are following along, I would highly suggest you go to platform.openai.com, grab your API key from there and keep it ready. We will be setting it shortly in the environment, and remember that that is a paid option. And now let me install GripTape with all the options. It's a simple pip command, and that takes around 30 to 40 seconds as it installs a lot of things, which is good. We don't have to install it separately, everything is embedded in it. And now let me set my environment by simply doing the export of OpenAI API key, and I will clear my screen. Okay, and now let me run up my Python interpreter and we will see this GripTape in action. So first up, let's import these libraries. You see that as we are using text to speech, where we will be providing it a text, and it will going to generate an audio from it with the help of OpenAI's model. And that is why we are importing this driver. If you remember by our vision video with GripTape, we were importing vision drivers. For text, you just import the text driver. So every use case, they have a driver, which is really cool. So we are importing this drivers, and other auxiliary libraries are imported. Now let's create instantiate this text to speech driver with our API key and our model. So you see, we are using OpenAI's API key, we are using their TTS1 model, which is very cheap, like free, and then we are using the voice Nova. There are various other voices which you can check at OpenAI or even in the documentation of GripTape. Driver is also instantiated, and as you know that these AI agents use tools, So let's define the tool here. The tool which I'm going to define is using this driver to output our audio file in this directory. That is done, and now let me run the tool. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run this agent with this tool which we have defined above, and we are asking it to do this audio generation from this text, and that text is just hello world. As this is just a sample, you can create any audio from any text. So let me run it. So you see agent is doing its thinking, it is taking the actions, and that already is done. Now because we have given it the directory to output it, so if I just exit from here and then if I do ls-ltr, there you go. So it has just generated this audio. Now let me play it for you.
Hello world. Hello world.
So see, it has just, this agent has created this audio. So now you can imagine you can use these agentic capabilities in a lot of other use cases where you could just maybe pipe in the output of one agent to another, which really could be really amazing use case in terms of this GripTape. And you can of course make it bigger, I mean the length of the audio. So for example, if I relaunch it and then if I give it a bit more paragraph, so I'm just importing the libraries again, and then I am running this tool with larger text, and it is going to use that OpenAI's APIs to generate the audio out of it. So you can even create your own audiobook creator with the help of it, but remember it could be, the larger your text, the larger your cost will be. So you see it has generated uh, the audio there, and then you can play it out in your environment. Now I would highly suggest that if you are using um, the audio one for production environment, instead of going with OpenAI, maybe try 11 labs driver, because they also support 11 labs for it, which I have seen is quite cheaper than OpenAI. We have to be cost conscious in this regard. Anyway, let me take you to my browser and we will play that audio now, which we just
Happiness
generated.
is a journey, not a destination. It's the little moments that make life big. A beautiful sunset, a good cup of coffee, or a warm conversation with a loved one. Choosing joy every day, in every way, is the key to unlocking a happier, more fulfilling life.
This is really good, and I think a very good advice we should all follow. Anyway, so looks like a good tool, GripTape. I will be really really happy if they announce some OLama, any llama.cpp support soon. I will be covering more drivers of GripTape in future videos, so stay tuned. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.